Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to increase your wealth, there are several strategies you can use to achieve financial success. First and foremost, it's important to have a clear goal in mind. What does getting rich mean to you? Is it a certain amount of money in the bank, or is it about achieving financial security? Once you have a specific goal in mind, you can develop a plan to achieve it. One of the most important aspects of getting rich is developing good financial habits. This means creating a budget and sticking to it. You should also be mindful of your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. Additionally, you should strive to save as much as possible and invest your money wisely. Another effective way to get rich is by starting your own business. This allows you to take control of your income and potentially earn much more than you would working for someone else. Of course, starting a business comes with its own risks and challenges, so it's important to do your research and be prepared before diving in. Networking is also key to getting rich. Building relationships with other successful people can provide valuable opportunities and insights into the world of business and investing. Finally, it's important to maintain a positive attitude and stay motivated. Building wealth takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can achieve your financial goals. In summary, getting rich requires focus and dedication. Set a clear goal, develop good financial habits, start your own business, network with successful people, and stay positive and motivated. With these strategies, you can achieve financial success and live the life of your dreams.